Push the button. Okay, it's recording.
Don't get my butt in the shot.
It's coming out good. Look how good it's coming out. Unlike yours, Adriana.
You gotta roll it out. What are you doing? That's not how you do it.
I'm packing it. Just smooth it out.
It's still the same size as 2 minutes ago. Look how big mine is. Roll, stupid thing. There. No, not so fast. See? It's picking up all the snow.
How big do you want
Watch
the
out,
fucking
Coco.
head? This is the big head for the snowman. Like, look at this thing. I'm gonna round it out.
Got your butt.
My legs are tired.
Mine.
Adriana's glove blowing it on.
Do it. She's not doing it right. Who taught her how to make a snowman?
Daddy.
Dad used to do it for